The moment I realized that DoorLoop was actually helping solve my problems was when I was able to sit down and play with my kids the first week that I had the subscription. My name is Ryan Ekema. I own and run Ekema Property Management, and we mainly focus on single-family homes and multifamily housing. I got into property management because my dad introduced me to the industry. I've been doing it for about 16 years, and he really showed me the benefits of helping people and getting people a great place to live. When I started property management, I was managing properties using a pen and paper. Then we've got into a few different programs that really didn't satisfy all of the customers' needs or the property manager's needs. So I've been looking for something to have an all-encompassing approach and single platform so I don't have to hold multiple subscriptions. Problems that I had before using DoorLoop were rent collection. I started in low-income property management, so chasing after tenants to get rent was a real issue. That is completely eliminated now, and I can communicate through the app or send them push notifications directly without having to go directly to the property that they live at. Those problems were so stressful and frustrating, not only because I was having to chase people around and waste my time, but I also received multiple threats and other issues along with knocking on people's doors asking for money at different hours of the day. DoorLoop helps me save at minimum 4 to 5 hours every week, so I don't have to maintain work orders or run after tenants for money or anything like that. My favorite DoorLoop feature is the automated rent collection and getting notifications on my mobile device when tenants have paid rent, and also the integration into my banking account to make end-of-the-month reconciliations that much easier. One piece of advice I could give to other property managers and owners in the industry is to utilize a system like DoorLoop's to get all of your information and all of your notifications in one spot. It's a lot easier to keep track of your information, your incoming messages, and your work orders when you don't have to go to multiple places to find them.